This 2026 Grand Design Reflection 317 RSTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 35 feet 5 inches in length and features a Collins interior, sleeps 4, refrigerator, slide-out, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Reflection 317 RSTS is 9,426 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.